All right, if you own an e-bike and your e-bike does not have any secure area to put your phone, your wallet, and your pedaling, or you're maybe riding fast, then check this out. This is a little sack, a bag that goes in front of it. And if you guys can see, yes, this is a strip, a reflective light strip. So you're riding at night, it's gonna shine either day and night, whatever kind of reflection you get. It's really good to have this. All right, so plenty of pockets in here. All right, you got zipper, well secure all around. All right, has a strip and a ribbon, and also they include all this. Right, all this in case you want to just use the bag with the actual, like a regular bag, you can do that. All right, so if you're gonna take this, you're riding to your gym, and you could carry this as a purse or a sling bag too. All right, so it does have those clips that you hook up here, but I like that they give you these actually are going to strap in front of the actual bike, and that's what we're going to do today. We're going to put this in permanently and keep it there. All right, so what I did is I put these in the front because what I'm planning to do is tie them up into my handlebar. All right. All right, as you can see, this bike does not have anything to lock in my possessions I have. So if I'm wearing this shorts and my stuff's gonna fall off, it's pretty much lost. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this here permanent in my handlebars. So if I'm ever riding a bike and I want to go a long distance, I have pockets, side pockets for my phone, my keys. This is where it's the most secure part. Just putting your phone here. Of course, I'm going to separate my keys from the front so they won't break my phone. So I like to separate my keys. Money, change, and you're ready to go. This is very simple, very convenient. And like I said, it has this little muffle bag that you can use for traveling, even on airports. So if you want to save like your makeup kit, or maybe your things that you use for grooming yourself, this is another bag, a little bag that you can use for anything. It has little side pockets here on the side. Not enough for a bottle of water. It's just a side pocket for extra loose change. This bag also gives you option to take your pump with you and some tools on the road, especially if you're going long distance. It's good to have an extra attachment.